Rock Computer College. Define quality training in information technology.
Before delivering your presentation, you might ask someone else to review it and give you feedback on your slides. Now you can do these things in PowerPoint using the comment and compare features. Now let's first look at commenting on presentation. So to add a comment, select the text or object or click the area of the slide where you want the comment to appear. Then go to the review tab and select the new comment command. Now the comments pane will appear, and from here type in your comment in the box. So I'll type in my comment. Then once you're done, click enter or press anywhere outside the box to save the comment. Now the comment will be represented by a small icon on the slide. Now here's my comment. This is the other comment over here. Now if I close that, let's say you want to come back and view your comments or maybe edit them, just simply click the comment icon and the comments pane will appear, or click the show comments command under review tab and the comments pane will appear. So let's say I want to edit a certain comment, just select the comment you want to edit. So let's say I want to edit this one, then just type in the new comment that you want. So instead of saying cool illustration, I'll say cool picture. Then once I'm done, click enter and the changes will be applied. Now let's say you want to reply to a comment. Again, in the comments pane, click the reply box. So we have this reply box over here. Just click on that and then type in your reply. Then once you're done, click enter and the reply will be added to your comment. So there'll be an additional comment. So if I say lovely, click enter. As you can see, there'll be two icons here showing that there is the first comment and this is the reply. Now let's say you want to delete a comment. Just select the comment you want to delete. So I want to delete this comment. Then go to the review tab and click the delete command, and that comment will be deleted. So now that's all on commenting on PowerPoint, on a slide that is. Now let's look at comparing presentations. Now there are situations in which you might end up with more than one version of the same presentation. You can easily compare and combine multiple versions using the PowerPoint's compare feature. To compare two presentations, first make sure that you've opened one version of the presentation. So this is the first version that I have. Then from the review tab, select the compare command. So I'll select that and a dialog box will appear. Now from here, select the second version that you want. So I'll select it, then click merge. Now the revisions pane will appear, allowing you to compare the two presentations. So here are the presentation changes. I can select which ones I want to change and whether I want to keep them or remove them.